welcome back to the channel. I have an unboxing today. It is Saturday. The DP-a-thon is going on as we speak, and I needed to get this video uploaded and done because I received this yesterday. Just didn't have time to make the video up, so I'm making it today before I go out and do my Lyft driving tonight. Alright, so as you see, it is a box. There's a box, and it's going to be unboxed, which is what I'm going to do right about now. So I will give it a little slice down the middle here, a little slice on the end here, another little slice on that end there, and it's open. Nice packaging. Love these. They don't pop like bubble wrap though. You don't get a good pop out of it like you do with the bubble wrap. Oh, yes you do. Wake up, it's Saturday morning, everyone. Oh, Lord. So, it is a Diamond Art Club. Yes. So, this one here was ordered on Monday. Monday the... I don't know what Monday was. Today's Saturday. Today is Saturday the 19th. It arrived on Friday the 18th. So... 17, 16, 15, 14th. Monday the 14th, it was ordered. It arrived on Friday the 18th, so 4 days. So not bad shipping, not as good as it used to be, Diamond Art Club. I'm sorry, your new warehouse, a little bit slower. When it used to ship out of Nevada, it used to get to me the next day, or like 2 days. So I used to get 2 days, now it's 4 days. So. And it's kind of double the shipping time. Plus, it kind of was carried by DHL until it reached the DHL hub in Chicago, and then it was handed over to the Postal Service, and tracking just completely stopped updating until it arrived in Grand Forks, which, you know, I like tracking my packages, and I don't like when it just goes silent for like 2 days, especially when it's a domestic package. So, I mean, I know you're trying to get things going there in the New Jersey thing, and I really hope you can get that going a little bit better than what it is. I mean, I'm not going to stop ordering Diamond Art Club because of it. I mean, still 4 days is not bad for a diamond painting. It beats the crap out of waiting 3 weeks for one from China. So, I mean, and I already know I'm going to get a good quality item. You know, maybe I got to wait a day or so longer. Yeah, that's just me being picky and yeah. Okay, so it is a Diamond Art Club. I have not yet gotten a Mandie Manzano painting. I have never had one yet. I keep saying, I gotta get one, I gotta get one, I gotta get one. Well, they're all on clearance in Diamond Art Club now, most of them, so now's my chance. So I picked up this one. It's the one I've really been wanting of hers, and there's one more of hers that I really want to get, and that's the Darth Daddy. I want to get that one so bad. But this one here, I just had to have, because it's just something that's near and dear to my heart from a kid, when I was a kid. So, you know, I'm not a Disney princess kind of guy. You know, I'm not just going to do Disney princess things just for the sake of doing diamond paintings. So you've got a nice box with the little sparkle stars on it. Kind of partway see them there. They're kind of showing up a little bit. And it's your very well packaged box isn't crushed, damaged, or otherwise molested. So, that's a good thing. And inside the box we have the Diamond Art Club Toolkit, which is awesome. Blue pen, 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax, single placer on the one end, and I'm sure there's another multi-placer in there somewhere, I'm just not seeing it, and a little blue squishy and a bunch of Aggies. What you'd expect from Diamond Art Club. Oh, it's got a 3-placer in there, I see it. Okay, and white boat, which you always, or clear boat you always get from Diamond Art Club. And we have inside this box a canvas. Wouldn't be a diamond painting without a canvas, now would it? Let me put this in the box that I just took everything out of. And a pack of drills. They are square drills. They are square drills. And they're supposed to have an AB in here, I think. I believe. I think. I don't remember. But we'll find out as we go, won't we? That's half the fun of... That's half the fun of unboxing, is finding out things. Let's put those over there to the side. And let's take a look at this canvas. Haven't quite showed you yet what I got, have I? You don't know which painting it is. Da, 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 da. I've kept it a secret. There's only one person in the world who knows which painting this is. And by the time she has a chance to tell anybody, now you'll already see the video. There it is. Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, got the diamond painting instructions and where to find more Diamond Art Club paintings. If you don't know already, go to diamondartclub.com and get your next masterpiece so that you can do what makes you sparkle. And this is exactly how to do what makes you sparkle. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5, Step 6, Step 7, Step 8, and Step 9 when it's finished. You can frame it. There's your instructions, folks. Alright, so let's unroll this and roll it back up the other way and we can get a good look at it. I am very sorry and I apologize in advance for any kind of glare that might be on the canvas because I do have my window open because it is a beautiful sunny day outside and I just needed some sunlight to light up my world. And there we have it. In fact, you know what? Forget the apologizing. Closing the blind. Ow, Hank. And now Hank has got his claw stuck in my foot. That really doesn't feel good. This is the Off to See the Wizard. And I'm already totally in love with this painting. I love it. There's Dorothy and the lion. And the Good Witch of the North, and the Scarecrow and the Tin Man. Kinda can't make out the faces very well, but, and there's the Wizard and the Emerald City. Oh, this is so pretty. The colors are so much better than they look on the website. I love the colors. Nice, bright, pretty colors. So yes, I love this one already. So let's kind of just peel it back. Of course, it's got Diamond Art Club quality printing on the canvas. Can't go wrong with that. Their canvases are always just perfectly clear with the nice little glitter in the material there to just make it kind of sparkle a little bit. Yeah, sue me. I'm a guy. I like sparkles. Yeah, there's I'm going to just peel back the plastic here. More than likely I will parchment paper cover this before I work it like I've been doing now with all of my sport glue ones. I found that just helps me better with the... Got a little wrinkle in the plastic there we got to take care of. I don't know, plasticky wrinkles. I have a longer ruler, but I just don't have enough desk space to work it back and forth like that to work it out. But don't need to worry about it because this ruler here works perfectly fine to flatten out this canvas or flatten out this plastic and get a nice wrinkle-free surface. There we go. Yes, I'm OCD, folks. Yes, I am. Okay, there we go. Canvas is now nice and flat and pretty. Now let's flip this over and take a look at the drills. It's got well, how many colors does it have, by the way? I haven't looked and seen. I didn't look in the box. No, okay. There's no little strip or anything in there for inventory wise, like nothing like that in there. It has 35 colors And it does have 2 ABs. So let's take a look at the colors. Matter of fact, no, I didn't get the AB color I really wanted. I've never had a blue one AB. I've never had one with blue ABs yet. I want blue ABs. One of these days, I'll open it up and I'll find blue ABs and I'll go, ah, that's what I wanted. Where's the little N? There it is. No, is that it? No. Yep, that's it. Hank is playing with the box. There we have drills. Let's unfold them. Oh, look at all of those. Oh my God, the colors are gorgeous, y'all. The colors are gorgeous. Just stunning. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's just do it that way so that we can try to get them all in the frame. Because there's a lot of colors there. So, we're going to start off with, let's start off with the long one first. Why not? There we have 3608s. These are square drills. 413s. 154, 720, 3860s, 498s, 3865, nice white color, 954s, 3843, 3845s, 912s, 817, 3607, 833, 907, 699, 996, 832, 3844, which is a beautiful teal. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, even the camera can't pick up the teal color in it. It looks blue on camera, but it is teal. 445. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love it. Did I even see any ABs in that pile? No, I did not. Wait a minute. That's right. Numbers below 150 are ABs, if I'm correct. So, I should have had an AB in there. No. 154 is not an AB. No. I guess I don't have any ABs in this kit. Huh. Okay. No ABs in this one. 3846, 718, 890, 906, 780, 915s, 796, another of my favorite color, 796 and 820, 700, and there's the 820s. Oh, love 820. 898. Nice brown color. And of course, it would not be Mandie Manzano if it didn't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of 310s. 166, 3371, 743, and 823. So I am satisfied, happy with my Diamond Art Club. I will say, kind of disappointed there were no ABs. I really am. I'm kind of disappointed. It is a 42 by 58, so that's roughly the same size as my Starry Night Santa by 1 centimeter bigger. Matter of fact, here is my Starry Night Santa for comparison. It's coming along very nicely, by the way, which I love it. It's beautiful, stunning. But yeah, I like it. Like I said, I'm a little disappointed there were no ABs, but you know, can't have perfection in every single painting, or you would get bored with it. Just joking, Diamond Art Club. You did a great job with it. I love it. Can't wait to start working on this one, but it's kind of going to go on a back burner for a little bit because I've got so many other things I've got to work on. But I definitely wanted to make sure I pick this up before it goes out of stock for good because, like I said, the Mandie stuff is almost all on clearance. And I don't want to miss out on getting at least one or two Mandie pieces before they're gone. So yeah, there it is. Off to see the wizard, the drills. Everything is there as it should be. What you'd expect from Diamond Art Club. Until the next time, rock on, y'all.